Page 302, the blues scale. I think I mentioned that early on, a long time ago, millions of years ago, whatever. There's only about 1,500 different scales available. Now, the major and minor scales that we typically use, they're going to make up about 15 of them, major and minor scales. Then again, you get the chromatic scale, and you get the whole tone scale, and now we got blues scales. And there's other scales, jazz scales, and all kinds of scales going on. I like blues music, I play blues music. I have a good friend who's a professional trumpeter who's a jazz and blues. I've learned a lot from him. But as far as the scales go, I'm relying on what the book says. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm talking about. But in a blues scale, they show you the C blues scale. That means the blues scale is built on the note C. It's got a lot of accidentals in it. It's because you got here, here, what it is, basically. So you, as far as memorizing what the notes are, well, you're not using the D, and you're not using the A. So you're not using those in a C major scale, you're not using those, but you are using it here. It's like the D went up one. Here. That's a blues scale. So if you use that pattern on whole steps and half steps and whatever, and starting on any note, you'll get a blues scale. So remember, the pattern for a major scale is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Well, for here, it's here. So what is that? Well, it's a minor third. Because we got a whole and a half put together. It's a minor third, and then a major second, a whole, and a half step, then go up another minor third. So we got a couple minor thirds built in. And then we got some half steps. There's one whole step is right there. How you finger it, they're showing that fingering. I'm sure there's others, but in a piece, you'd finger it however the music needs you to. But if I follow that pattern on any note, I should get it. Let's look at the second one. G is here. And again, I go up a minor third, then a whole step, then half steps, then a minor third, and up. That's a skip. It's sort of, that's a blues scale. F, same thing. I'm going to go up a minor third, then a whole step, half step, then a minor third. And that pattern you can start it, and that's a blues scale. That's really all I have to say about blues scale. A blues person would have a lot more to say about it, so let them tell you all about it.